going to teach you everything you need to know about fluids for the MCAT in 60 seconds. Okay, so we have to start off with what are fluids? Fluids are anything that flows and takes the shape of a container. So these are both liquids and gases. Yes, air is a fluid. So now that we know what a fluid is, let's talk about how fluids move, and this is through pressure. So we all know the generic pressure formula, pressure equals force over area. And this is another pressure formula, and it actually explains why our ears pop when we go deeper into water. So if a question asks you about pressure changes in depth, this is the hydrostatic pressure formula that you'll use. Now let's talk about why objects float or sink, and this is through buoyancy. And whenever we talk about this, we have to talk about Archimedes' principle. Now, one thing that's really important to note for the MCAT is that the buoyant force is always equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. Meaning that if you're on a really big boat and you kick an anchor off the boat that weighs a lot, the boat will move less water. That's the fluid displaced that we're talking about. So since the boat is displacing less fluid, the buoyant force will be less.